Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you the live price prediction of previous 1 hour, 2 hour of Vechain crypto in a crypto market. So before starting this video, kindly subscribe my channel and complete my 2K subscriber. Now let's see the live price prediction of Vechain cryptocurrency in a crypto market. It's loading, so kindly click the subscribe button now and complete my 2K subscriber. Thank you so much. Now as you can see here, the change is a negative. It's a very bad news for all Vechain holders, but don't worry, now currently they are jumping upward. As you can see on the graph, the change is in this last 1 hour is 0.79 negative% change in a Vechain crypto in the last hour. And the high price of Vechain cryptocurrency in the last hour is $0.090419 is the high price of Vechain crypto in a cryptocurrencies market in the last 1 hour. As we can see the graph of the Vechain cryptocurrency, so in the last of this hour they downward, they are dumping time, but it's a good news for all Vechain holders. Currently they are jumping upward, as you can see here. So it's the best time to buy a Vechain crypto and make a good money by a Vechain crypto. Now let's see the live price prediction of Vechain cryptocurrency in a market of last 2 hour. What's going in the last 2 hour of Vechain cryptocurrencies? As you can see the graph of the Vechain cryptocurrency, so it's continuously falling down in the previous hours, as you can see here, but in the last hour they are start upward, jumping upward, as you can see here, like a rocket. So please buy it and make a good money amount of good money to buy it Vechain crypto. It's a good for this time. As you can see here, the change is a negative, but they are going up in a positive. As you can see here, the graph is going upward. So the change is a negative 0.35% in the previous 2 hour, and the high price of Vechain cryptocurrencies in the previous 2 hour is $0.092015 is the high price of Vechain crypto in a cryptocurrency market. So now currently they are jumping upwards, so it's the best time to buy a Vechain crypto in a and make a good money. What's your suggestion? Please share your suggestion in a comment box. Don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more latest news and updates.